Welcome friends. Just go market, wear this one. They call am bandsaw. It is good for ripping and making some cuff cutting. We actually, as you can see, this bandsaw and the cheapest for market. And the cheapest be this. So we have the one of higher quality than this. But nevertheless, this one sef go still do the work wey me I dey do for my own workshop, because every machine depends on what you are doing. So this one will still serve me. And this is my first time of using bandsaw. Na jigsaw I dey use before. So I cut some of my cuff with my jigsaw. But now I believe I'm upgrading my workshop. So this is the product I got. Ingco Bash 3502 bandsaw. So it's 350 wax industrial. So and the new product with that. So I want to unbox am now. Maybe we see wetin dey inside. So we go set am, put am to use, see how it goes.
This is the pushing stick. This is the miter. This is the base. This is the tip.
set the table for the bandsaw, I noticed that the adjustment knob for the table is touching the downside of the plate of the table. So it makes it difficult for me here to like tie the knot down. So what I did here is that I look at it properly that it's not going to affect it. So I have to like cut part of it off. So for the knot to like roll properly. That's what I did here.
Well, first as you can see, and that's all this is what I've been able to achieve so far. Which I achieve so far this. You can see, because the blade is not as good as what. So I have to like get another blade for the bandsaw. But this is what it cut. You can see the cutting, very smooth, and it's okay. So thanks for watching.